Hi friends, today we are going to discussing introduction to selenium. On my previous videos, I discussing about that what is an automation, what is the difference between the selenium and QTP, and what is the automation testing process. I discussed on that. Okay, today basically this video, introduction to the selenium. A selenium is a sort of software used to automate web browsers. What is Selenium? Selenium is a suite of software tools to automate the web browsers. Okay, and it is an open source suite of tools mainly used for functional and regression test automation. Why they are using Selenium? Basically, using it is an open source, and we are using it to the functional and regression testing purpose. They create as an Selenium. When we are using the manual testing, when we are using the manual means regression testing is a very difficult, right? We need to test step by step, and everything we need to use means regression testing very difficult. We can't possible to test, and in regression testing human effort is very high. When we are using automation, it's not required that much. If your repetition test cases are presented at that time, human effort is very high and time taking, and it will not provide in time of the output. And when we are using automation regression testing is a very fast, and time it will reduce the time, and cost it will decreases. When you use manual, time is high, cost also high. We can't provide the in time of that also. Selenium was created by Jason Huggies in 2004. Jason Huggies is the first guy. He developed the Selenium and he introduced that one in 2004. Selenium web driver was created by Simon Stewart in 2006. Simon Stewart is a Google CEO, and he was developed as a Selenium WebDriver in 2006. Selenium supports various operating systems. Operating system like Windows, Linux, and Mac, like this, etc. Which are the operating systems are presented in the market. Those are all operating systems Selenium is supported. Selenium supports various browsers. Browsers means Chrome, Firefox, IE, which are the browsers present nowadays is like for Chrome, Firefox, IE and Opera. Those are the browsers Selenium supports. And here is one tool is presented in. I will discussing this one later also. But Selenium IDE is there. It is only supports Firefox browser. It is not support all the places, only supports only Firefox browser. We will discussing the what is Selenium IDE. And Selenium supports various programming environments to write program. Selenium supports the different kind of programming languages. When we are comparing QTP supports only VB-script, but Selenium supports that Java, .NET, PHP, Ruby and Python, JavaScript, which are the Selenium support different programming languages means which are we create as a script to execute some code. That all the scripting languages Selenium supports. Those are the points we have. Selenium introduction is in a Selenium introduction. We see the points. Selenium is a suite of software tools to automate the web browser. What is the suite means? A suite of tools presented: Selenium IDE, Selenium RC, Selenium WebDriver, Selenium Grid. These four are the source file tools. Means inside the Selenium we have these tools are presented. We call it these four as a suite of software tools. These are four guys the tools. I will discuss in the later what is an ID, what an RC, and Selenium WebDriver and Git. Nowadays RC no one can use it as an expert, but some maintenance process they are using on that, and it is an open source. So Selenium is basically an open source, anyone can use, but when we are facing any problem no one can support it and we need to take care about that. Mainly Selenium is developed as a functional and regression testing purpose. Selenium was created by Jason Hughes in 2004. Selenium WebDriver was created by Simon Stewart in 2006. Selenium supports a different operating system. Nowadays, how many operating systems presented in the market? Those are all of operating systems it supports. It supports the different browsers, which are the browsers presented. Those all browsers are supported. We can create some script to execute the multiple browser execution also. And Selenium supports the different programming environment to write the program, and which are the scripts we are creating. That script is using in Java, .NET, PHP. Those are all the languages supports. And this Selenium I am using Java. In the history, Selenium first came to life in 2004. In 2006, Selenium driver was launched in Google. Google was the WebDriver authorized person, and he launched as the Selenium WebDriver. In 2008, the whole Selenium team, means who are the developing the Selenium team, the team decided to merge Selenium WebDriver with Selenium RC in order to form more powerful Selenium 2.0 version. Means they decide something. Selenium RC is going to the out of the state. At the time, the Selenium team, they're deciding we need to do the powerful tool. At that time, they thought like Selenium RC and Selenium WebDriver, we need to merge and we need to provide a very powerful tool into the market. At that time, in 2008, they merged and both they gave in as a very powerful to release the 2000 Selenium 2.1 version. This is all about introduction and history of the Selenium. Next video we'll see the later what are the suite, why the Selenium suite is presented, what are the tools are presented in Selenium. Those points we'll discuss in later. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe also.